everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. We've got another package from Vinted and I'm very excited for this. It is an LED one. I've never ever seen this painting before. I'm super excited to get into it. So yeah, I sort of had to prompt the seller a bit because it was taking ages to dispatch, and I was like, when's this going to be sent? And it took about 4 days to ship it, and yeah, I was kind of getting a bit impatient, so I was like, can you please send this out? And this would have come yesterday, but for some reason Every said it was coming and then it got changed. So let's get into here. I am super excited about this. I've actually got another one on the way. But inside here, I've never seen this before in diamond painting, but look what we have, guys. Look at that. The Statue of Liberty. Just wow. With LED light balls. Lots of lights, and it looks as if the statue light comes on, but apparently you can walk up this, or is it that pit that you walk in? But I've never seen anything like this before, and I thought this is brilliant. You know, I've not really done buildings as far as I'm aware. I think I've done houses, but not really anything like this. So yeah, I can't wait to get into this. Now, she said this was new, although that looks like it's been tampered with and re-stuck down with tape, so we'll have to see about that. So let's get into here. And okay, yeah, okay, it looks okay. No, aha. Yeah, look, she's had a bit of a rummage around in that. Why is there a hole in it if it's supposed to be new? Okay. But the one thing I'm happy about is, look, bags. Oh, you definitely know if it's a Hinkler Create one, you know there will be a big bundle of bags. So the question is why they opened it if it's new. But we'll have to check everything over now, because I'm a little bit pedantic, thinking that there's gonna be something missing or something not working. So as you know, the last one I got, I don't know what I did with the video, and the batteries weren't working, so I just hope that this is going to be working. I've got a feeling they've took the batteries out. I don't know what's giving me that vibe, but that, I don't know. Let's get into this first. So let's take a look at the picture, and oh wow. Yeah, it's a little bit pixelated on the face, but wow, that is absolutely stunning. So let's see if it's gonna work, because oh my god, look at that. Oh wow. Oh my god, do you know what's drawn me straight to this is that. I think that's stunning. Look at that. You turn it off and then it just, a light illuminates up. Oh my god, this is absolutely stunning. All the lights are working from what I can see. They've even got lights here, look. Oh wow. Oh my god, this is going to be one beautiful piece. And I've never seen this before, not even in the range. The range they don't tend to do LED kits for some reason. But I'm getting drawn. I saw it on Vinted and it popped up because I just put, you know, diamond painting. And oh my god, I'm glad I did. This is stunning. Because the other one, when I put it down, it stopped working. Whereas this tells me that the wires are all okay with that. I can move it about. It's not turning off. So yeah, I think it's safe to say that that tiger has got a faulty connection somewhere. Because with the moon, it's supposed to light up. And this is all lighting up. Whereas the moon was only in the middle. So we'll have to open it up, I think, on the other one. And you can see that on one of the live videos, but I don't know where it is. Okay, so let's turn that off and let's get to the picture. So these are the colours, and I just need to marry this up because, as you can see, there's a word, like a writing on there, but you don't know what it says. There's like no way of matching that coding onto here, so that's why I'm going to have to double check all the colours. So let's have a look in here. So if we go from number 1, we can see that that's a purple, yeah. We'll go through it all first. We've got a green and a brown and a grey, minty green. I'm checking as I'm going along. That's another minty colour. We've got a vanilla sort of colour, a green, another green, a yellow, a blue, a green, a brown, a sort of greeny colour, minty green again, a browny colour, a blue, a minty colour, a green, and a white. And then we've got these packs here, which is a blue, a green, and another green, as you can see. So from what I can see, we've got number 1 right the way down to 20, and then 21 to 23. So I wonder why they opened it up then, because that's definitely been, as you can see, that's been retaped. You wouldn't get tape like that, and it looks a bit bashed up here. So I wonder why they've had to look at it, unless they've tried to get one of the bags out, and you know, because really that should all be sealed in the cellophane. So I wonder if that's what they did. They wanted a bag. But oh my god, like, I think this is absolutely stunning. Like, can you imagine in the dark and then that's all going to be lit up like that? Oh, mamma mia. I have bought a really, really good one here. I'm over the moon with this. Really, really happy with this. So, oh right, yeah, this one, look, you can switch it this, hang on, where was it? Can you switch it that way, or was it this way? No, I thought it stayed on then. You know, still, but this is absolutely stunning. What a lovely, lovely canvas this is. Now, I've got another one on the way. It got posted yesterday. That's with InPost, which is a lot more, you know, very happy about that. But oh, I just can't wait to see what this looks like in the dark. Absolutely fantastic. What a lovely, lovely painting this is. And it's partial down here as well. I'm going to turn that off to save the battery, but it's nice and compact and small. So this would look quite nice on the wall in my, I have to put like a bracket on there, but it would look quite nice in my front room. Yeah, above the TV or something. Oh my god, I love it. Absolutely love it. As I said, I got this on Vinted. I don't think the range is going to stock this. So I can't give you the link, unfortunately, but anyway, I love it. Thank you very much for watching. We've got more LED kits coming soon. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Always tap that notification bell, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye bye now.